In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and log out of your Gmail account from other devices. Whether you've recently upgraded to a new gadget or just want to ensure your account's security, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to Gmail. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once there, look to the upper right-hand corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or initial, which represents the account you're currently signed into. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, you will see several options, but what we're looking for is Manage your Google account. Clicking this will redirect you to your account settings page. This page is like your account's control center where you can tweak various preferences. Next, with this page open, direct your attention to the navigation menu on the left side. Here you're going to find a tab labeled Security. Clicking on Security will take you to a new set of options focused on maintaining and enhancing your account's protection. Scroll down the security page until you reach the section titled Your Devices. This handy section provides an overview of all the devices currently connected to your Google account. We're now going to dive a little deeper by clicking on Manage All Devices. Doing so will present you with a detailed list that includes all your devices. From this comprehensive list, carefully identify the device from which you want to log out. Click on the specific device to proceed. This action will open a page with detailed information about that particular device. Among the options listed here, you'll notice one that says Sign Out. Click on Sign Out to initiate the logout process for that device. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed your Gmail account login from another device. This process not only offers peace of mind, but helps secure your personal information across various platforms. Remember, keeping track of where your account is logged in is a good habit to incorporate into your regular security practices. In future, make it a point to periodically check the Your Devices section in your Google account settings. This ensures you stay ahead of any potential security threats and maintain control over your account's accessibility. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has empowered you to take charge of your account security with greater confidence. Until next time, stay safe online.